Welcome to today's lecture on ageless knees, published by the New England Journal of Medicine. In this issue, we delve into the latest research and advances in knee care, focusing on how age and wear and tear affect our knees and the treatment options available. Knee arthritis, a common condition affecting millions of people worldwide, is often characterized by the gradual degradation of articular cartilage. However, recent research has shown that the knee joint is not an afterthought in the aging process. In fact, age-related changes in the knee joint, such as ligament laxity, meniscal damage, and osteophyte formation, may contribute to the development of knee arthritis in older individuals. Dr. Robert W. Smith, a knee expert and lead author of the study, explains that understanding the unique challenges older knees face is critical to providing appropriate and effective care. The key to maintaining knee health and preventing arthritis is to address the various factors that contribute to aging, such as decreased muscle strength, joint inflammation, and excessive joint movement, he says. In this article, we will explore the latest advances in knee care, including the use of surgical techniques and technology, as well as non-invasive treatments such as physical therapy and rehabilitation programs. We also discuss the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet to reduce the risk of knee arthritis and improve overall joint health. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of ageless knees and discover the latest advances in knee care to help you take charge of your knee health and lead a pain-free life.